If you're looking to give an old piece of furniture a new lease on life, tan washing with the paint color Algonquin by Fusion Mineral Paint is a great technique to consider. To tan wash, you're going to start by mixing equal parts water and paint into a container. You could do a little bit more water or a little bit less water depending upon the look you're going for. You'll stir the mixture thoroughly until it's well combined and has a smooth, even consistency. Then, using a paintbrush, apply the mixture to the surface in a thin, even layer. Next, use a lint-free cloth to wipe away any excess paint or water, taking care not to remove too much of the paint. You want to leave behind just enough to create the desired aged look. Make sure that the piece of furniture is dry before applying another coat. Since the mixture does have water in it, it can make the piece look darker than expected until it's dried, so don't worry. Once it is dry, you can add a top coat of clear water-based polyurethane to protect the surface and add a final layer of sheen and durability. Overall, tan washing with Fusion Mineral Paint and Algonquin is a great way to achieve a beautiful look on your furniture. With a little bit of patience and care, you can transform an old piece into a stunning and unique addition to your home.